How to fix the deployment operation failed because the volume is offline error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check if the drive is online. This error often occurs because the target drive or volume is offline or not accessible. Ensuring the drive is online allows the system to access it for installations. Improper default storage settings in the Microsoft Store or Xbox app may lead to this error. Ensuring the correct drive is set for installations can help. Under where new content is saved, ensure the default location is the correct drive, C, by default. Save changes and try the installation again. If that didn't work, outdated system components can sometimes prevent the Xbox app or Microsoft Store from functioning properly. Updating your system ensures compatibility. If that didn't work, issues with update-related components can lead to deployment failures. Resetting these components ensures proper functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.